Hello, my dear student. Are you ready for our lesson today? Okay, let's see. Today we will talk about order whole numbers. We will have some numbers and we need to put it in order. Okay? Let's see the first question we have today. Here he wants from you order the numbers from greatest to the least. Okay? So here we need to order the numbers from greatest to least. Type greatest mean what? It's mean we will search for the big number. Okay? Now we have some numbers and we want to know which one of that is the big number. How we know? First of all, let's count the digit. In each number we will count it contain how many digits to know are all equal or we have one is different. Okay, let's see. The first number we have here, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 digits. Let's see the second. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's also 4 type. Let's see the third one. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the same. Let's see the last one. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. All numbers are equal in digits. Let's see which one of that is big. Okay, we will start from left. Here we have 1, 1, 1, and also 1. It's the same. So what we have to do? Look before. Let's look before. Here we have 2, 0, 1, and 3. What do you think? Which one of that is the big one? Of course, 3. So that will be number 1. Okay. Now let's see the second one. Here we have 2, 0, and 1. Which one of that is the big? Of course, 2. That will be number 2. Then we have 0 and 1. So 1 is greater than 0. So that will be number 3. And that will be the last one. Okay? So the greatest number here is 1318. Then we have 1209. After that we have 1165. And the last one will be 1078. You got it? Are you sure? Perfect. Now let's see the second one. Here he wants from you order the numbers from least to the greatest. So here we will start from the least. We will from least, that's mean what? This is mean we will search for the small number. Perfect. Now I want from you to stop the video. Try to solve this one alone. After you finish, play the video again. Compare your answer with mine. But before you do that, I'm sure your answer will be correct. Come on, stop the video and I will wait for you. Welcome back, my dear. Let's see if your answer is correct or not. Okay, let's see. Okay, first of all, let's count each number of that contain how many digits, okay? Let's start with the first one. Let's count. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's see the second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's see the third. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. All numbers are equal in digits. Now let's compare between numbers. Let's see the last digit. Here we have 8, 8, 8, and also 8. It's the same. What we have to do? Look before. Let's see the digit before. Here we have 3, 4, 9, and 2. We search for the small numbers. So which one of that is the smallest one? 2. Perfect. So that will be the first one. Don't forget, here we have 3, 4, and 9. Which is the smallest one? Of course, 3. Then it will be 4, and the last one would be that. So 8231, this is the smallest one. Then we have 8362 and 8435, and the last one will be 8920. Okay, my dear? Okay. Here it's the same, but we have big numbers. This is the only difference. Don't forget, he wants from you order from least to the greatest. Okay. like we know and like we did in everything, we need to count the digit first. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8 digits. Let's see the second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's equal. Okay, let's see what before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's the same. And the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All numbers are equal in digit. Okay, now let's see which one of that is the smallest one. Let's start from the left. Here we have 57, 58, 55, 56. Which one of that is the smallest one? Great job, super. I can hear one of you tell me 55 is the smallest one, so that will be number 1. Then we have what? 57, 58, or 56? Super. Of course it will be 56. This is number 2. Then which one is the smallest, 57 or 58? 57. So that will be number 3. And of course that will be the last one. Okay? So 55,281,473 is the smallest number here. Okay? That's great. Now let's solve this problem. He tells you that the table shows the numbers of oil used each day in different countries. Use place variable to order the date from greatest to the least. So here he wants from you to make order from greatest to the least. Okay, we have some numbers here. First of all, let's count each number to know which if are all equal or we have difference here to know which one is the greatest and which one is the smallest one. Okay, don't forget we need to order from greatest to the least. Okay, now let's count together, habibi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the first one, 7 digits. Let's look for the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's also 7 digits. Let's look for the third one, India. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's also 7. And let's look for the last one, United States. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here it's 8 digits, but the other country was 7 digits. So and we look for the greatest one. So that will be number 1. Will be number 1. Okay. Now let's get back for the 3 other countries. Let's look which one of that is the greatest one. We will compare from starting from the last digit. Here it's all 2, so let's look before. Here we have 1, 2, and 1. So what do you think? Which one is the greatest one? Of course, that will be the 2. So that will be the second one. Then let's look which one of that will be the third. Here we said that here we have 1 and here we have 1. Let's look before. Here we have 9. The other side was 3. So of course 9 is greater than 3. So that will be number 3 and that will be number 4. So the greatest number here was 19,650,000. Okay? You get it? That's a great, my dear. And now, habibi, we finish our session. I hope you understand everything. So, bye and see you next time, inshallah. Bye.